Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn how text-to-speech works in natural language processing. We will walk through three big steps: text analysis, prosody modeling, and waveform generation. Step 1 is text analysis, the reading part. The computer must understand what is written. First is normalization, where abbreviations and numbers become words. Then, phonetic analysis, where the system chooses the correct pronunciation. Normalization turns things like street into street and $10. Phonetic analysis figures out tricky words like lead to metal versus lead to guide. Step 2 is prosody modeling, the feeling part. Prosody controls pitch, duration, and loudness. This gives rhythm and emphasis so the speech sounds human. Step 3 is waveform generation, the speaking part. There are two main methods: concatenative text-to-speech and neural text-to-speech. Concatenative systems glue recorded pieces of human speech. Neural systems like WaveNet and Tachytron generate the wave from scratch using deep learning. Concatenative uses a big database of recorded speech. Neural TDS learns from thousands of hours of audio and creates smooth, natural speech. Popular tools for building text-to-speech include GTTS, PyTTS X3, and Hugging Face transformers. And that is the full pipeline: text analysis, prosody modeling, and waveform generation. Thanks for watching.